Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined again by Guy of Parcel BI. Guy, how are you doing today?
Great, Alicia. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. So in this video, we are going to be discussing the time in transit reports that are within the Parcel BI software. So you're going to show us a demo of that, and I'm just going to turn it right over to you.
All right. So the time in transit report can be found on the main menu, and it gives you a breakdown by service of the business days or the actual calendar days for time in transit by each service. And you can actually drill into a specific service. You can see the states where you're sending from the most and the states you're shipping to the most. And then if you click on any state and receiver state or any sender state, you can see the zip codes of the receivers where you're shipping to. So you can identify the markets and the cities and the customers where you have the most packages going to and may be experiencing some delays in shipment or maybe overpaying for certain shipments. So for example, you can see where you're using second day AM delivery, where you may actually be getting the same delivery performance out of a more cost-effective service. So if you're someone who's trying to understand your zones better, understand your time in transit better, as well as the zip codes you're serving, the time in transit report is the report you're looking for.
All right, awesome, Guy. Well, thank you so much for telling us a little bit more about the time in transit report, kind of what that is and what it looks like within the Parcel BI software. And if that's something that you are looking for and you want to find out more about Parcel BI, you can get in contact with them. You can get in contact with them by calling the number up on the screen or visiting them online at parcelbi.com.